Go ahead. Climb back up there. Man, I wasn't quick enough. I didn't have my phone on me. I walked in here and I'd hung up his food earlier, or put his food up, and he was hanging from the top of it, ripping it off. It's kind of funny. It's like a little bulldog. What are you doing down here, lady? Have you ate your food? Huh? Did you eat your food? Gotta clean that glass. What about you? You little porker? You're a little porker, you know that? Look, I'm gonna lower it down a little bit. Yeah, I know. Here. Yeah. Reach it. There. That's my hand. That's not a treat. That's my fingers. Don't bite your fingers. Oh, you knocked it off. Look. Go get it. And then you can finish it off. Now you can finish it off. Are you gonna wiggle me? Here. There you go. Finish it off. This was a whole piece of romaine. There you go. Finish it off. There you go. Take it out. Come on, you're almost done. Yum, yum. Woke up with an appetite this morning, huh? It's my little male ornate I got from David Eldon at Eclectic. He is not shy about eating. He loves to eat. Eats about as much as me. There you go. All right, finish it off if you want to. Sister, she's still kind of hanging out. Hey, come on. She's not ready to come out. And then my little female down here that I got from, she originally came from Desert Gems, I believe. And they're all just now getting active again. She usually sleeps under her piece of driftwood, and she comes out through the hole in the top and sticks her head out, and she'll go back in. So, yeah, I know. What? So, yeah. And then we got this little chick. Hey, you want to come out? You want to come out? Let's see if I can do this. Come on. Nope. No, you don't want to come out. She's great. Great little lizard. My little guy, he's been out eating a little bit, but he's right back in his cage. And then the adults, they're slowly starting to peek out a little bit and look around. You can see a little bit of dry food in there from putting some in the other day, and they come out and nibble on it a little bit. It's time to pull it out. So yeah, he's still going at it. You're still eating? Hey, let me have that. Here. Let's put it where you can get it. Okay? Fall down. Let's put this like this. Now you can finish munching on that. finish munching on it, dude. Monster. Everybody's slowly starting to wake up a little bit. She's been awake. What are you doing, wild child? This one came from Jonathan Sose. It's my little female Jera. Got to clean up in there a little bit. She's been munching away, so. And then here are the Het for Lavender albino Jera from Josh Markey. And they've been sleeping a little bit more, so they're not quite ready to come out and stay out. They'll stick their heads out for a little while and eat a little bit. The male in here, the two females in here. So, yeah, time to clean up a little bit and get some of the food from the weekend out. And these guys should be, they're starting to peek out a little bit here and there, and they should be out soon, and maybe see some breeding. Haven't been pushing them, but we shall see. I did pull the divider out so they can kind of come out and acclimate, and if I start seeing a little bit of bullying or the males giving the females a little bit more than they can handle, just throw the divider back in. There's Diamond. So yeah, anyway, Euros are doing great. We got over here. It's my little female Aki. She's on the prowl. She ate yesterday, so she eats every other day, but she would eat every day if I gave it to her. Of course, we lost Lemonade last week, so the lemonade stand's empty currently. I think I'm going to move my Jack, my little male Het for Lavender albino Jera male, into there. So, and there's Milrow. She goes out to her outside cage quite a bit, so this is her inside. There's Kaya. There's my Sun Glow. I see you. You're hiding. Anyway. So, excuse the house when moving some boxes and some work stuff around. So yeah, all the ornates are, all the Euros are doing great. We braved the snow in southeast Texas last week, which is like once every 20 years. I think they said it's the 18th time it snowed here since 1810. So over 200 years, 18 times. So yeah. Anyway. He's still going. Dude, you gonna eat it all? Did you eat it all? Might tell everybody bye. It's old Silver Chair, the fat boy. Hey, dude. Yeah, I know, a little bit of wiggle. He actually will crawl up on my hand. He's gotten really good. We had to work with him pretty hard, and sometimes he'll just crawl right on my hand, so good to go.